Hey guys, it's Savannah from Introsbysav, and in today's video, I'm going to be answering questions that you guys asked me over on Instagram. So let's just get right into the video. So the first question was, how did you grow your page very fast? Instagram Reels are huge nowadays to post. And when you make Instagram Reels, you want to make sure that you are keeping the person's attention the entire time. You want to make sure you have a verbal hook and a visual hook. A verbal hook is when right away they get your attention by something they are saying. So that is a verbal hook, and I will have some examples on the screen.
Do not make this mistake when you're trying to buy your first home.
Your videos will not go viral if you don't master your hooks.
And a visual hook could be going really close to the screen, or it could be text that pops up on the screen. There are so many different types of visual hooks. I will have some examples also on the screen for you guys.
Do you just hate figuring out what to eat every single day?
We listen and we don't judge.
Here's how my fonts always serve.
This is a hook.
And if you are interested, I can go more into detail on all of this and how to make really good Instagram Reels and how to edit your Reels in a whole separate video. So let me know if you are interested in that, and I will definitely do that for you guys. The next question I got asked is, how do you make thumbnails and how to start for beginners? So I have so many tutorials on my page. I will have the playlist up on the screen. My favorite apps for thumbnails is Pixar, Canva, and Fonto. I mainly use Canva. I do have Canva Pro, but you can totally use the free version of Canva. They are all very easy to use and they are all beginner friendly. Most of them do have paid versions as well that you can use, but you definitely don't need them. You can use the free version as well. And again, I have plenty of tutorials that you guys can check out. I'll actually have on the screen a couple of thumbnails pop up that you can see that I have previously done. And you can let me know if you have any specific thumbnail designs that you would like to see for tutorials, and I could definitely do that for you guys. The next question I have is, how do you keep your subscribers engaged? This is very important because you want people to watch your videos. Even if your thumbnails are really good, if your video is boring, people are just gonna click right out of that video. You wanna be making sure you are talking about exactly what you said the video is about. So this video is answering questions from Instagram about YouTube, Instagram, etc. That is what I'm doing. I am delivering exactly what you asked for, and I'm trying to answer your question in a very concise way. People don't wanna be sitting here just listening to you talk and talk and talk. They clicked on this video because they want to know something or see something, and you need to deliver on your promise on what you said in the title and thumbnail. So that is one way to keep your subscribers engaged. Another thing I would say is, like I mentioned before, visual hooks, pop-ups that come up on your screen, and then audio hooks, sound effects. I say this all the time. If your video popped up on the homepage and you didn't know you, would you first click on your video? Is the thumbnail and the title good enough for me to click on? If not, that's your first problem. You need to work on your titles and your thumbnails. If you would say, yeah, I would definitely click on this, then would you watch your video the entire way through? Or when you're even watching your own video, do you kind of get bored or kind of zone it out? Because if you get bored and kind of zone your own video out, how do you think other people are gonna feel about your video? You gotta make sure that you are keeping people intrigued the entire time. Think of when you're watching a TV show, when there's action going on, when there's maybe a little bit of drama, whatever your content is about, that's what people wanna see. If you're just rambling on about things that, no offense, people don't really care about, people are gonna get bored and go away. There's a reason that shows call things filler for a reason. They want to see what the plot is about. They want to get what they came here for. So I hope that helps. I can go more in depth in another video, but I hope that answers the question a little bit for you. The next question that I got asked is, what are some videos to gain viewers for your channel? So that would really depend on what your niche is for your channel. So of course you can do things like trends. So if there are trends going around, you can definitely do those things, and those things will probably get you a good amount of views because of course trends, people are looking at those things, so you have a higher chance of people searching for that. So I would just say trends in your niche. If you notice, a lot of the times, a lot of people do the same thing in their own way. Trends will definitely get you views, but keep in mind with trends, you want to do trends in your own niche. And what I mean by your own niche is you want to pick a specific topic you want to talk about or you want to focus on your channel. My channel is about YouTube growth and editing tips and tricks. Your niche might be makeup. Your niche could be gaming. There are lots of different things that you can do. You just need to make sure you are doing videos within that niche. Videos that do some of the best are how-to videos, because think about it, YouTube is a search engine. People search all the time in YouTube, how to do this, how to do that. And that is how my channel does really well. All the time, people are searching how to create a YouTube channel, how to create a YouTube intro, how to create a YouTube outro, how to create a thumbnail for YouTube, how to grow on YouTube. They are asking YouTube questions, and I am answering those questions based on my experiences. So I would definitely say make content that is searchable, that people are going to be searching. Think about the type of content you want to create and what people would be searching in the search bar to find your content. That is the best way to find videos that could help you grow. I would also say look at your niche and what you want to do on your channel, and look around on YouTube for videos that have done really well in your niche, and break it down and figure out what videos you can actually do for your channel that you think would go really well with your audience. I also have a full video that I'm going to have at the top of this video and linked in the description below, but I also have a whole video giving 50 YouTube video ideas that will help your channel grow, and you can check that video out. I will be doing a part 2 of that video soon. So the last question I'm going to answer in this video is, what is some advice I'd give to a beginner YouTuber? Post videos, post shorts, get your content out there. That is most important, because again, if you don't start and you don't put videos out there, nobody is going to see you. You're not going to get discovered. You're not going to have videos go viral if you're not posting content. I know you're probably nervous about maybe putting your face out there, or you're nervous your content's not going to be good enough. But again, if you don't get your content out there or even start, you're not going to be able to get anything. I would definitely get your channel nice and put together by getting yourself a nice intro, outro, banner, a watermark in the corner of your video. You can make these yourself by using apps like Canva, for example. I have plenty of tutorials on how to make really good and professional intro and outros. There are so many different resources out there that you can use. Do your research. You can check out YouTube videos that will help you grow your channel and help you learn things that maybe you don't know about the YouTube algorithm or the monetization process, or so many different things. So I would check out different YouTube videos. There are so many people nowadays who have done this before you and who love to share, just like me, their process so it's easier for you guys. I would say to be yourself. That is, again, extremely important. Don't put on an act. People are going to be able to tell if you're putting on an act. Be yourself. Talk the way that you would normally talk. Just be who you are, and you will find a group of people and a community who is going to like you for who you are, and that's what you want. You don't want to be fake and have people that don't truly support you around you. Be yourself. Be creative, be consistent. And at the end of the day, if you love posting and you love YouTube and you want to continuously grow, you will. You just have to put in the work, put in the time, put in the energy, and eventually, if you are consistent and you keep going, you will grow. So that is what I'm going to leave you with, guys. I hope you found the video helpful. Let me know what you guys want to see below, and if you have any other questions for me, definitely ask. I will be continuing to do tutorials as well. I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching, and bye, guys.